Hi, my name is Beatriz Caló, and today I'm going to talk about assertiveness. In last week's video, I talked about 4 communication styles. In that video, it was possible to understand that the most effective communication style is the assertive communication style. It is important to mention, however, that although there may be a predominant communication style in our lives, no one can always be assertive in all contexts and with everybody. With that in mind, I will provide you some tips on how to be more assertive. Say no. It might seem obvious, but saying no can be difficult, although very important to be more assertive. Avoid saying yes when you would like to say no, just to please others or to avoid discussion. If you don't do this and try to avoid an external conflict, you will end up creating an internal one, and this is not good for you or the people around you. Make and receive criticism in a positive and constructive way. Other people may think differently, but if you are aware of this, it will be easier to make constructive criticism and react to negative criticism in a positive way. Recognize your mistakes. Nobody is perfect. There is no such thing as perfection. In this way, admit and acknowledge your mistakes. Hiding them or pretending that they don't exist gives a bad image of yourself. Speak openly, directly, and honestly. Don't be afraid to say what you think, feel, and want. Just pay attention to the way you do it. At the same time, make room for other people to express themselves in the same way. Some tips to speak this way are, for example, use the word I, trying say I would or I feel instead of you should, for example. Make an effort to use good eye contact, don't stare but don't look at your feet either. Avoid ambiguity if you are not comfortable with something. Don't say, I don't know, maybe. Instead say, I'm sorry, I'm not comfortable with doing this or that. Control the tone of your voice. Talking too loud or too low is a problem. Screaming sounds aggressive, and whispering is like a big sign that says, I'm not sure what I'm saying. 5. Think before you speak and act. To do so, try to control your emotions and impulse in order to avoid aggressive behavior in the face of a criticism or less pleasant situation. Use rationality to control yourself. Stop before you speak. We can't control the behavior of others. Do not take responsibility for how others react to your assertiveness. Assertiveness is not always well seen by others, especially when it isn't something don't use. I hope you enjoyed these tips and see you soon. Bye bye.